Alrighty, so this is a part 2 of the first video I made on the pop-up trailer Dexter axle flip kit that you can see on my channel, or probably just look it up on YouTube. So what I was going to be doing is I was going to have to loosen the bolts on the axle kit for one side because the spring was not lining up. And I've done that, so I'm going to flip my camera around and show you what's happening. Okay, so you can see I backed down the nuts quite a bit. It's loose, has some play, and I barely pushed on the spring and it lined up. It went in with this nice and more flexible now to line up. So I got the jack under there. I'm gonna jack it up now and get the other bolts mounted in. But I also wanted to point out that I'm going to have the plates welded. These plates right here, I'm going to have them welded. They highly recommend that they be welded. I'm going to have them welded. So, needless to say, I'm glad I didn't have the welder come out yet and weld it before I got my axle mounted. Just a learning share. And I don't know if anybody else has encountered this. Feel free to leave comments. Please be positive. And if you have any questions, I will get back to you as soon as I can. And thank you again for watching my video. And I do multiple kinds of builds and create things. So I don't know, stay tuned. Maybe you'll see something that can be useful. Thanks again for watching.